Hold on, guys! Wait up! That went pretty big. No! Don't go! So it's just the storm snow though. Yeah. And even then, since like the density change, it's riding on that. I want to see how far it wrapped around. Yeah, I'll turn right back and come back. Yeah, only to here, but man, it went a ways. Longer than you would think. Yeah. This side went a ways too. I know. It's easily 38 degrees right here though, this pocket. That's definitely the steepest part, and it has convexity. Yeah. I'm gonna take it down here a bit. Wow. I've never seen that before either. What? Down here at this tree, it wraps to the right again another 50 yards. Yeah, it propagated away. Yeah. And there's that shot right up there halfway up the slope above you. Yeah. Actually not that far, right above you where it shoots way over to the, but didn't break off.